Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change address on Scotiabank. Now the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and sign in, and then here on the right hand panel you should see change address for banking. So tap on this one and you can update your address. So first just enter your access code, okay? And then you can scroll down and change your details. So this is the current address on file. You enter your new street number, street name, address line, unit type, and a unit number, the city, phone, and province, territory, postal code. And you can also choose where to apply the changes to, which accounts you just toggle them on, and then click here on continue. Okay, and then it'll ask you to just verify your updated primary address. Once you're happy with everything, you're okay with it, just tap here on confirm, and there you go. Just allow for at least 24 hours for your address to be updated on your card for online purchases. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.